Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've decided to up my desk game. I just got this full keyboard and mouse combo. This is from A4Tech and this is the F-Styler FG3300 Air 2. It's a complete wireless desktop set and honestly the box looks really sleek. It's a part of the F-Styler collection, which usually means that it has got a nice modern design, and just like the mouse that we saw in my previous video, if you haven't checked that out, if you want to go ahead and check it out, just check that out. That's also really nice. This also has the Air 2 feature, which I'm really excited about. It also looks like it has some special hotkeys like hide computer and lock computer, which will definitely have to check those out on my computer. Without wasting any more time, let's get this open and see what comes inside the box. I'm gonna just quickly open up the box. So first up, we've got the keyboard itself. We have to, let's just open it up and wow. Okay, that looks really nice. It is slim, it is compact, but it has a full number pad, which I am really excited about and I really appreciate this. I had another option to go with one that didn't have this. I thought this would be really helpful for me. And check out these keys. They've got this cool rounded square shape. Let's see how they feel. Really quiet. You can barely hear it. That'll be perfect for a quiet office, or if you work late nights just like myself. The feel is really soft too, so I like that. And here are those special keys at the top. So we've got a button to lock your computer and then another one to hide your computer, maybe. I'm guessing that just minimizes all your windows at once. So we're going to connect it to the computer and we're going to see how it works, but that would be actually super handy for privacy. So let's put the keyboard on a side for a moment and let's see what else do we have in the box. So we've got the mouse in another box. Let me just open this up. All right, let's just pull it out. Let's just pull it out. Okay, it's a nice symmetric mouse that feels very comfortable, and the clicks, yep, silent, just like the keyboard. This is a great matching set, and of course the most important part, the little USB dongle. Let's see where that is. Right here. The best part about a combo like this one is that you only need one USB port for both keyboard and the mouse. That's a huge plus for keeping the setup clean and saving ports. And also looks like they've included the batteries inside the box itself. Yes, two AA batteries, one for the mouse and one for the keyboard. Love when they include those and they take care of their customers. And there's also a little USB-C adapter too. That's always a good touch as well. I think you saw this just here. That's always nice from the company. Now the Air 2 feature on the mouse, let me just go ahead and put the box aside for a second so I can talk to you guys. All right, let me just put these here for a moment so you can see how they look on the desk. Okay, that's how they look. Pretty nice. Right, now the Air 2 feature is on the mouse, just like the previous video that you saw, the other mouse that I purchased. You can lift this mouse in the air and it turns into a multimedia controller. So you can use it to play or pause your music, change the volume or skip tracks, all from your couch. So my first impressions, this is a really complete package. For one price, you get a super quiet keyboard, a silent mouse. They both run off one USB receiver and you get those extra Air mouse features. It seems like the perfect set for anyone who wants a clean, minimalist and a really quiet desktop setup. Great for home office, at your work, or for students in a dorm. Anyways, now we're gonna plug this to my computer and see how it connects and how it works. Okay, so I've connected my mouse and keyboard. I've installed this dongle here on my computer and now we're gonna use it. As you guys can see, if I press the num lock button, this light turns on. Caps lock, this light turns on, right? And the mouse doesn't seem to have any lights on it. It is currently on. So let me just try to use it, and yeah, definitely I am moving the mouse and you guys can see it's working. I'm gonna use it on the mouse pad actually and see how different that is. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty decent. This is the DPI button. So if you click on it, the mouse speed, the cursor speed changes. As you guys can see, it's becoming slow and fast. And let's just go ahead and try out the keyboard. Let me quickly open up the sticky notes and see. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've opened up the notes app. Let me just go ahead and type something. Let's go ahead and type, and you can hear the audio as well. Alright, as you guys can see, pretty quiet, and I've typed this. So if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. You guys can see my desk is very clean now because, you know, those wires are not here. And I'm gonna do something about these wires as well. Maybe I'll move the PC towards this side so that this gets fixed as well. But yes, that's the look of it. And obviously I really like the keys as well. They're really quiet. The mouse is pretty good. Both of these look really nice with my setup here. Let me know what you guys think. So that's it for the unboxing of the A4Tech FG3300 Air 2 combo. So what do you guys think? Are you a fan of these quiet keys? Let me know in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. That would be awesome. And do not forget to subscribe for more tech unboxings and reviews. A lot of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, so please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.